Hello viewers, welcome back.
Today we are making authentic creamy white sauce pasta with just 5 ingredients. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments.
For this recipe we need milk, cheese, all-purpose flour or Maida, asparagus, nutmeg, butter and pasta. I am using fettuccine pasta but you can use any pasta that you have. Let's heat the pan and melt the butter. Add all-purpose flour and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add milk and keep stirring till you get nice thick paste. Make sure that the mixture is free of lumps. Now add cheese, nutmeg powder and asparagus. Cover the pan and let it simmer for few minutes. Cheese will provide the creamy sauce, nutmeg will enhance aroma and asparagus will add a crunchy feel to your pasta. I will also add some freshly crushed black pepper for additional taste. Our sauce is ready. Now let's cook the pasta. Add salt to water and bring it to boil. Add the pasta and boil it as per instructions on the label. Our pasta is cooked. Now drain the pasta and add it to our creamy sauce. Mix it and serve hot. Our creamy, yummy pasta is ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.